My Car Zone is the umbrella name for a suite of features that includes Curfew Limit, Speed Alert, and Geofence. With Curfew Limit, you can set a curfew time. If the vehicle is driven after the curfew, an alert will be triggered and sent to the user via email, text, or push notification. The other features operate the same way. Speed Alert triggers alerts if a set speed is exceeded, and Geofence triggers alerts if the vehicle drives outside of or into a designated area. Let's start with a look at the curfew limit. First, select My Car Zone from the Home menu and choose the curfew limit icon. The app will automatically display the curfew limit notifications for a specific range of time. To change the date range, select the drop-down menu and select the desired range of time. To enable or disable curfew limit alert notifications, select Settings, then press the curfew limit icon. Switch alerts to enabled to activate the individual curfew limit. Note that you can rename individual curfew limits if you wish. Set the curfew start and end time. Set the curfew days, then press Done. Your curfew limit is now set. So let's take a look at speed alerts. Select the speed alert icon on the My Car Zone screen. The app will automatically display the speed alert notifications for a specified range of time. To change the date range, select the drop-down menu and select the desired range of time. To set a speed alert and enable or disable speed alert, select Settings, then select the speed alert icon. Use the speed alert toggle to enable or disable speed alert. Use the speed alert slider to select your preferred speed threshold. Select your preferred speed alert frequency from the drop-down menu, then press Done. Another powerful feature of My Car Zone is Geofence. To add a new Geofence alert, go to the Geofence settings and make sure alerts are enabled. Then press Add Geofence. Select by city or zip code. Select the radius of the geofence and press Done. The UVO Luxury Services app will automatically display geofence notifications for specified time intervals. To change the date range, select the drop-down menu and select the desired range of time. If you'd like to remove a geofence alert from the on-screen list of alerts, select Manage. Choose the alert you'd like to remove, then press Delete. You can complete the same steps for curfew limit alerts and speed alerts as well. As you can see, My Car Zone is a convenient way for K900 owners to keep track of their vehicle, even when they aren't driving it. Also remember that anything that takes attention and focus away from the safe operation of a vehicle, or which is not permissible by law, should never be used during the operation of the vehicle. For more information, check the owner's materials that came with your K900.